Hey, what's up, guys? I'm actually back with the Norge a little bit later than I wanted to be, but sooner than I thought it would be, if that makes any sense. It's obviously a little cold to do a startup. It's like 49, 50 in here right now, unfortunately. I don't think I showed this little vent thing the last time. It's pretty neat. Anyway, I did get this freed up. It's definitely going to need replaced, though. I'll show you why. It's making a liar out of me. You can hear it a little bit. It's actually a really quiet running unit. It's totally making a liar. There it goes. Yeah, now it's doing it. I'm about to say, no freaking way. I just got done working an 8-day stretch. It's my first day off. Literally 8 days, so kind of a little bit fried out for a while. But yeah, I got this going a few days ago. I just wanted to show you this. But yeah, obviously, I wouldn't use this unit like this only because, well, not that it really matters. I'm messing up the fan motor because the fan motor's already screwed. It's either going to have to go in to get rebuilt. Probably just get it rebuilt eventually if I was ever going to use it, because good luck finding these special mount motors unless you get like a belly band kit or something like that, which I did for that 1971 Philco a couple years ago. But yeah, I couldn't listen to that. That would drive me nuts. I think this one has constant run. Yeah, it does. Golden head pressure. Hey, what, the compressor sounds amazing on this unit. Good old AJ. Head pressure's made. It's blowing the heat out the back. I just stand here. Yeah, it is a little bit. But anyway, I mean, technically by my rights, I did get it working. It just sounds like dog shit, that's all. You hear that winding down a little bit. Oh, there's a short 3.5 minute long video for you guys on a Monday morning. Well, to me it's still Sunday night yet. So, yeah. Let me know what you think, and thank you for watching as usual.